Hello Pisces, welcome to the channel. This is Lady of the Throne and I am here with your love guidance and spiritual messages for June 16th to the 30th. Welcome. This is going to look at two things: how you and your person of interest feels about each other and how you both see each other at this time. And then if you're interested in going deeper, I do recommend getting the extended version of this. There will be a link down below in the description box for that. In the extended version, we will be looking at what you both really want within the connection and some angel messages and guidance to help you all understand what is needed at this time to make this connection come together. And any other helpful tips, clues, advice, or secrets will be revealed in that as well. It is another video that you will have access to watch whenever you want. So check that out in the description down below. Pisces, so let's get started. So how do you feel about this person, June 16th to the 30th? This is someone who you're interested in, of course, and something is happening. It seems like a senseless act could put you in a weird energy about this person during this time frame. Something that this person has done or is doing, and you could feel tired or very confused with this person because you could be ready to end it all with them just based off of their energy at this time. They seem to always do something to tick you off, and it's annoying. You are over this act or senseless behavior with this person. It's tiresome and it's frustrating to deal with all the time. You're very sensitive to the BS from this particular individual, and they are in the hot seat. How does this person feel about you? This is someone who is extremely worried. They are so worried about where they could end up if they don't come in to be with you. They feel like it's now or never. They know that this time they have really messed up. So they know now that they've run out of all their old tricks, and every dog has its day. And they're tired of playing with your heart, your time, and your mind. They want to mature for you, Pisces. They want to fix it all before it's too late. They can't help but to keep loving you and wanting you and craving you. So they feel stupid for doing the things that they've done. They're willing to do anything to stay with you this time. They want more love from you. They are so sorry about what they have done. Now, I don't know, Pisces. Everyone's going to be different. For some of you, this energy is going to play out verbatim. For others of you, there's going to be bits and pieces that you can apply. Take it as it resonates and give it time. You have until the 30th for it to resonate. So how do you see this person? This could be an earth sign, a Virgo, Capricorn, or a Taurus, or possibly someone with earth in their birth chart, sun, moon, or rising. Doesn't have to be, but I'm just calling it out. Now, this is an individual who you see is focused on money. They are calling in abundance, doing a lot of things surrounding money, and they're being very productive in their career. This person is going all out in their artistic pursuits and in their business. This person is not wanting to hold back their creative talents anymore. You see them as revealing things through their creativity or their music or their business if they're an entrepreneur. But you find that they're able to manifest more abundance into their life through what it is that they do. So this person has a beautiful, multifaceted personality that is shining through at this time. So if they're creative, you can see how their creativity is actually developing more and how it's like really shining for this person at this time. Also, you're seeing different sides of this person through their creative endeavors. So you could see this person as someone who doesn't think highly about their career or their talents, but at this time, they're standing on it. They're very confident about their creative pursuits, and they are very confident about expressing themselves right now through this. You also may see that this person has a circle of friends, family, or colleagues who look up to them, who look to them for leadership and guidance. And you know that the things that they're doing creatively, they're doing it for the people who look up to them, for the people who count on them. They could be a breadwinner for their family, whoever they are. So you know that this person doesn't want to fail these people because they don't want this person to fail them. A lot of people could depend on the person you're interested in, Pisces. A lot of people could be looking up to them or depend on them financially. So there's an understanding from you that this person is surrounded by a lot of money and abundance because they have to feed a lot of people, possibly. Now, how do they see you? Pisces, they see you as, they see you as having a lot of love abundance. So like if this person has a lot of financial abundance, this person sees you as having an abundance of love to give to them. You absolutely fulfill them. But not only that, but you also are reaching and fulfilling a crucial goal that you had as well. They see you reaching some type of goal that you have been working long and hard in trying to get or gain or create here. They feel like when they think about you, they think about a magnificent work of art right in front of them. They feel like you are timeless. They feel like you have a beauty that can last forever. They feel like you are so amazing at being you, like everything about you. They just see it as art. You are their greatest inspiration and their muse. So the fact that you're this person's muse and their greatest inspiration, I'm starting to feel that there could be something involved with this. There could be something playing out with the way you feel when it comes to their career or their creative endeavors, money and things like that. It's something that they're doing that they have to do to feed their family or to make a living. But see, whatever this is, I'm starting to get an idea that this could be something that throws you under the bus in order to do it, or this is something that is pulling their attention away from you, and maybe they go without seeing you, and that's what you're tired of, because when they get in this zone, they could be away from you, and they may be nonchalant, they may not be investing time. So it could go either way, but or it could be something else. But I am getting that this person sees that you've been putting the blood, sweat, and tears into something. Could be them. Could be that you've waited for them for so long to get it together. Or maybe you've put in a long years to love this person. Okay, and that's why they feel like they have to come in now. It's now or never. Like they have to start treating you right. They have to treat you better. So it could be that they see that right now you're going to be honoring your talents and your artistic light that you possess. They want you to keep giving love, light, and healing to others as well as them, because you have a lot to offer. Like you are reaching some type of pinnacle. I feel like you're reaching some type of pinnacle, or something big could be happening for you, or you could be entering, I don't know, something about career is coming up, but also this person is trying to make things right with you, Pisces, sun sign, okay? Specifically Pisces born in March. But yeah, this person is trying to make things right. So there's more. I'm going to go deeper. If you want to see that, check out the description box below for that. Thank you. God bless.